Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to identify and fix the hashtag div/0 error in Excel. This error typically occurs when a formula attempts to divide a number by 0 or an empty cell. First, you have to identify the hashtag div/0 error. Here is our example dataset. You'll see that the hashtag div/0 error occurs in row 3 where the formula attempts to divide 50 by 0. Once you identify the error, let's go for solution. Firstly, check whether the number is correct. Instead of using a 0, you should replace it with the correct number that makes sense for your calculation. For example, if the denominator should be 5 instead of 0, changing it will correct the error and provide the correct result. If the number is 0 itself, use the IFERROR function to handle division errors gracefully. This method ensures your spreadsheet remains user-friendly and free of distracting errors. So, use this formula equals IFERROR A3/B3 error. In the error cell will display error instead of hashtag div/0. Now you'll be able to fix hashtag div/0 errors in your spreadsheets with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy Excelling!